This statue took 12 years to build and 60 seconds to destroy. The Colossus of Rhodes, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. A statue so massive people still argue about how it stood, even though it collapsed over 2,200 years ago. And no, it did not stand with its legs over the harbor. That part is fake, although we'll get to that later. Built around 280 BCE, the Colossus stood about 30 to 33 meters tall, roughly the height of a modern 10-story building. That made it the tallest statue in the ancient world. For comparison, the Statue of Liberty was only slightly taller due to its pedestal. Rhodes built this statue to celebrate something huge. They survived a siege. In 305 BCE, the Macedonian ruler Demetrius Poliorcetes attacked Rhodes with massive siege towers and war machines. Rhodes did not fall. When Demetrius retreated, he abandoned his weapons. The Rhodians sold the war machines, used the money, and built the Colossus to honor Helios, the Greek god of the sun. In essence, victory turned into money. The statue was designed by Charis of Lindos, a sculptor trained under Lysippus, who was actually Alexander the Great's official artist, and construction took about 12 years. Bronze plates on the outside, iron framework inside, stone blocks for weight and stability. No solid bronze, no magic engineering, just ancient problem solving at its peak. Let's kill the biggest myth right now. The Colossus did not straddle the harbor entrance. And why? Ancient ships needed the harbor open. No ancient source describes it that way. Structurally, it was impossible for bronze tech of the time. Most historians agree it likely stood near the harbor, possibly on a stone base, but not over the water. After standing for only about 54 years, boom, in 226 BCE, a massive earthquake hit Rhodes. The statue snapped at the knees and collapsed. Ancient writers say the fallen pieces were so large that people could wrap their arms around a single thumb. And here's the wild part. The Rhodians wanted to rebuild it, but they asked the Oracle of Delphi. The oracle said do not raise it again, so they didn't. The broken Colossus lay on the ground for over 800 years and still attracted visitors from across the ancient world. A destroyed wonder was actually still a wonder. Around 654 CE, Arab forces captured Rhodes. The remaining bronze was sold, reportedly to a merchant, and transported away. After that, the Colossus was gone. No pieces survive today. Only records, only legend. This statue stood for half a century, collapsed in seconds, and still became one of the most famous structures ever built. If you think ancient engineers were primitive, remember, they built a 30-meter statue with no electricity, no cranes, and no modern math, and it took an earthquake to topple it. If you think this is insane, wait until you see what's coming next. We've got stories history tried to bury, mysteries nobody explains, and discoveries that shouldn't exist. So smash that subscribe button right now, because the next video might be even crazier than this one. And if you want YouTube to keep recommending stuff like this, hit like and I'll see you in the next one.